Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope everybody's doing amazing this Monday morning. I'm doing great, and you guys know the deal, and you know why I'm here. I'm back to present you with more remote work opportunities. So, we have some great opportunities today, including a couple of no phone jobs, and we also have a job with an August start date, and we're going to get straight into it. But in the meanwhile, check out the screen, and you will see client testimonials from my clients who have had success with my resume services, whether it's been a review, a revamp, coaching. They have gotten interviews. They've also landed jobs, moved to the assessment process. So right now I do have a special, and it's going to be $20 off any service, $45 or more, using the code SPECIAL20. So if you've been wanting to take advantage of my services, this is definitely the time. And I also have Afterpay on my site and Klarna as well for those of you who are on a budget. So this is going to last until the end of the week. So take advantage of this sale while you can. I look forward to assisting you. So our first opportunity is going to be a no phone opportunity. It's coming from First Advantage, and my subscriber Nikki sent me this opportunity, which I really appreciate. But this company right here provides background screening and post-hire workforce monitoring services. So this appears to be a non-phone opportunity as an I-9 compliance auditor, and it is full-time. And this individual will support the processes and adherence of audit and document review requirements, which ensures customer compliance with federal immigration laws. Also, employee eligibility verification, Form I-9. So it's going to involve reviewing and verifying the accuracy and completeness of I-9 forms, supporting documentation, and adherence to all government regulations. This will also include verifying proper documentation requirements for non-immigrants, exchange visitors, receipts, employment authorization extensions, and associated conditions. So you would need to be proficient in Microsoft Office, have a high school diploma or GED. So I do have the compensation highlighted for this opportunity here. So our next opportunity is coming from Foundation Finance, and I did just feature this company on my part-time job channel last week. So they are a company that offers consumer financing for home improvement contractors, and right now they have a dealer services document review specialist. So I do have the compensation highlighted for you here, and this is going to involve analyzing, researching, and monitoring and documenting all dealer ACH, company name, and DBA name changes, along with completing required owner verification and confirmation phone calls. You'll be entering new and existing dealers' information and also uploading supporting documentation in all operating systems. Now, this is going to include, but is not limited to, Salesforce, Decision Lender, and Spectrum. You'll be documenting notes properly in all required areas per company processes and assisting dealers and customers with signing documents via the SDocs platform. You'll also troubleshoot any issues accordingly and respond to dealers, internal staff, and management requests, complaints, and issues. You'll be communicating with other department staff and managers to help review and resolve customer verification document issues. And you'll identify discrepancies, handle escalated dealer calls, and assist other departments with night and weekend coverage. And so they do want an associate's degree in business, finance, communication, marketing, or a related field, or 2 years of marketing or sales experience. And also, to perform the job successfully, they do want Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Internet Explorer experience. So our next opportunity is coming from FastSpring, and they are a global e-commerce platform and merchant of record for software and digital products. And right now, FastSpring is looking for a payment operations specialist. And so with this one, you will assist with the end-to-end chargeback process. Now, this is going to include preparing and submitting represents under guidance from senior team members. You'll be monitoring chargeback volumes, win rates, and related KPIs, and flag trends for irregularities for further review. You'll continuously build knowledge of card network chargeback rules and evidence requirements, and you'll be coordinating with sellers and internal teams to collect supporting documentation for dispute responses. You'll also be monitoring payment processor dashboards and alerting to identify potential issues or disruptions. You're going to also have some KPI and trend analysis, so you'll track key payment and chargeback metrics and support analysis of trends, and you'll assist in preparing recurring reports and summaries. You'll
also support Tier 1 and Tier 2 payment-related inquiries from sellers and internal teams, and investigate issues related to settlements, refunds, disputes, and escalate complex cases if needed. So for this one, they would like 1+ years of experience in payment operations, chargebacks, customer support operations, finance operations as well, and understanding of card payments and chargebacks. And they will prefer those that have experience chargeback processing, payment processing, and I do have the compensation for this opportunity highlighted for you here.
So our next opportunity is coming from CACI International, which is an American multinational professional services and information technology company. Now they do have quite a few remote opportunities, so I definitely recommend that you check and see what else they have. But they are looking for an experienced case reviewer for DHS, and it's remote in any state. It's going to involve conducting reviews of background investigations. So this is going to include reports of investigation and attachment to ensure investigations are complete and adhere to requirements. You're going to also provide guidance on DHS investigation requirements to CFI and CITs that meets DHS contract requirements and performance expectations. You'll identify trends and communicate trends and work closely with the review team members, quality assurance mentors, and also quality assurance managers. And so they do want at least 12 months of experience conducting quality review of background investigations on behalf of the DHS. And you must currently work on the DHS contract and possess and maintain a T5 or T5R background investigation at all times. A bachelor's degree or equivalent work experience is needed as well. So our next opportunity is coming from One Source Virtual, and they do have a job that starts in August. So this company has services that efficiently automates the administrative transactional task of workday payroll, taxes, payments, and benefits. And so right now they are looking for a seasonal benefits specialist, and they have positions starting in August and September, and they'll last through December. You must have flexibility between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Central Time. They do prefer those that are bilingual in Spanish and French. So with this one, you're going to be providing professional and timely service to internal and external customers. You'll process benefit-related changes such as life status changes, address changes, and also resolve benefit administration service issues with internal staff and outside vendors. You'll also be counseling employees regarding benefit programs, and this is going to include plan features, procedures, eligibility, and premium information. And you're going to also perform monthly reconciliation of carrier invoices to report to customers. And so they want effective communication skills via telephone, email, and in person. And they'd like a bachelor's degree and 2 to 5 years of related benefits experience, and customer service experience is a must. Must have knowledge of group life and health and knowledge of federal regulations such as Section 125 and COBRA. And you must also have proficient PC skills. So these are all of the opportunities that I have for you guys today. And don't forget that I do include these opportunities on a blog post on my website. That link is in the description bar of every single video. Don't forget to take advantage of my resume revamp services. Do have that special going on from now to the end of the week. I will see you guys bright and early in my next video tomorrow. Good luck to everyone who gets to apply for the jobs.